Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper, and I wanted to show you guys some of my favorite miniature Christmas trees that Hobby Lobby has this year for Christmas 2024. And this, I don't know if you could call it a Christmas tree, but it's only $9.99. Isn't that like super, super beautiful? Or for $12.99, you can go a little bit more traditional. I mean, it's just a tinsel tree, but it's white, very, very pretty. Or you can go way up in price, get an actual flocked tree with pine cones. It is really, really pretty. It's in this little wicker basket, and it is $49.99. This flocked, but it's skinnier tree is $10.99, $9.99, $13.99, $24.99, $10.99, $12.99, $10.99. This one has a really like blue color. $12.99. This one in the little wicker basket with berries and pine cones. And then a lot of them also come as like a really, really tiny, tiny little tree for $4.99. So pretty much everything in this aisle ranges from like $5 to $50. In the 50, the $49.99, they are pre-lit. At least the ones that I've looked at are. So I think they do have quite the selection. I mean, there's something for every single style. And if you're going to get one of these trees, you're probably going to want some ornaments for it. So we're going to have a promo code and a link down below for AlphaPaw. And they have some really cute customizable Christmas ornaments. So you'll definitely have to check them out. And we also have a link down below for Martie. They have some really cute star-shaped Christmas ornaments, but they might sell out. So definitely check them out ASAP. This little tree is $4.99. And possibly my favorite one that they have. I think it's pretty expensive, but I love the white berries and the blue berries and the pine cones. But this one is, if I could get the tag to turn the right way, $24.99. But I really, really like that. And then these, I don't think you could call them a Christmas tree, but I think if you had like mini trees and then you had one of these, like make a forest or something, and you could still hang ornaments on this one. And it has greenery like a tree, so I'm calling it a Christmas tree. It is $18.99. And over in the actual Christmas tree section, they don't have a lot of little trees. So this one, I mean, is $44.99. I could still consider that a tabletop tree. And then I think the last small tree they have is this $19.99. It's got a couple different foliage options, and that could totally be a tabletop tree too. And I know this video is about small trees, but we do have to give a shout out to this jack pine. I absolutely love the textures and the lights going on. It's got some frosted stuff, some kind of like shredded up looking stuff, and two different styles of lights. I really like that tree. Well, I didn't show you every single tree they have, but I showed you quite a bit. Hopefully you got some really fun inspiration. Dear God, thank you so much for blessing us with such creativity to have these cool products. I pray that everyone remembers you this Christmas. Amen. Okie dokie, you guys. If you liked this video, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. I got this for $4.99, 50% off. I think that it is so cool. It's like iridescent. And don't forget to check out the links down below. Make sure to hit that bell so that you never miss the next time I upload a random video. Get out and enjoy what God has given us, and get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one. Bye.